In this video we will discuss about types of BPM. So there are three types of BPM. First, integration centric BPM, second, human centric BPM, and third one, document centric BPM. So what is integration centric BPM? Have extensive connectors and API for move fast. Means that whatever connectors and API means application softwares are there that will be used and connected with each other for fast the processing. So this is called the integration centric BPM, where different tools and softwares are integrated with each other. Okay, so that output will be coming fast, process will be doing fast. Okay, next one is human centric BPM, means that have lot of approvals and performed by individual, this user friendly and easy notifications. So human centric BPM, here in the BPM where the humans are doing all the things, where all the things will be approved by different persons and that will be performed by individual, so that process will be user friendly and easy to notified by everyone, because if approved by someone, then that person also knows about all the things in the process. Okay, so this is user friendly and easy notifications. Last one is document centric BPM. Enable routing, formatting, verifying and getting the documents. In the document centric BPM, all the things will be done in the document form. Means that whatever routings, whatever formatting, whatever verifying, whatever getting all the documents will be ensured in the document. All the things will be done in the document. Whatever process will be going in your business, that will be showing or mentioned in the document. Okay, so here we will now discuss about the benefits of BPM. So gain control, if all the things will be done accurately, that means you got some gain in your process. Next, create, map, analyze and improve BP, business process. BP means business process. So every time whatever business process you are creating, that will be mapped and that will be analyzed and improved according to the BPM cycles. Last one is operations run efficiently, because here all the things done by the systematically, so all operations are running efficiently. So these are the benefits of BPM. Thank you. I hope now you understand all the things about the BPM. Thank you.